Jackie Bird. She was the one who gave me the bone marrow transplant. I hope there's people out there still trying to give.
Save a life while you can in your lifetime. And if you can save that one life during your lifetime, this is one of the ways to do it, is join the registry.
Tonight, indeed, we are talking about the gift of life, and as you just saw there in this segment, we're looking at the National Marrow Donor Program. We have Shelley Baker from the program. Welcome.
Hello.
What is this program?
Well, we are a nonprofit organization that facilitates unrelated marrow and stem cell transplants.
Why is it so important?
Well, there are about 10,000 patients a year that are diagnosed with life-threatening diseases where their only cure or treatment would be a bone marrow transplant. And there are about 7 million people on the registry. Only 70% of the patients are not able to find a match within their family from their siblings. So there is a great need to bring more people to the registry.
So what is involved in getting in the registry?
What's involved is you're filling out a consent form, and I brought a little swab here. You're going to swab the inside of your mouth, and there is a tissue typing fee of $52. We do get funding from the federal government to fund the underrepresented numbers of ethnic minorities on the registry, but we are always looking to the community, to corporations, and people in the community to help sponsor drives.
Because I would imagine, you know, when you're asking people already to maybe give part of their body, asking them to also give money to do that can be tough.
It is a challenge, but you'd be surprised. When we explain the program and the need, people are very giving, and you know that's why it's important for us to educate and spread awareness in the community so that people understand that this money is processing the tissue typing as well as funding the research for other diseases that may benefit.
What, and you had mentioned already how the community can get involved. When people are going to donate bone marrow, what is actually the procedure that they're going to go through?
Well, there are a lot of misconceptions, as Gina had mentioned earlier. There's two different procedures. Marrow donation is an outpatient basis, and you're typically under a general anesthesia, so you're going to take a little nap. And they remove the marrow from your pelvic region with a syringe. You may have some muscle soreness for a couple days to a week, but that goes away, and the end result is you've saved a life. The process that's happening more often now is called peripheral blood stem cell collection, and it's very similar to platelet donation. The only difference is that you're receiving something called filgrastim prior to the collection that just helps prepare your body so you have extra stem cells in the bloodstream. And this process is similar to, like I said, platelet donation, where they are able to separate out the stem cells that they need.
About how long does that take?
PBSC can take about 6 to 8 hours.
So you plan on spending it?
You're in a very comfortable chair. You're treated like royalty. Most people fall asleep.
Okay. So where do people go? What should people do if they want to get involved with your?
They should go to our website. It's marrow.org, or you can also look to the Caringbridge site for Evans Entourage. But if you go to marrow.org, you can put in a zip code and you can find your nearest marrow registration drive, or you can actually register online.
Very good. Thank you so much for being with us and telling us about the National Marrow Donation Program. If you want more information, if you missed that website, if you want to hear about any of the websites that we've been talking about, simply go to our website. That is cox3.com. Click on the Cox Forum link and you'll find all the information about this show and our other shows as well. As always, if you want to email us, the email address is forum@cox.com. And of course, we'll be back next week when we'll be taking a look at the quest for peace in the Middle East and how that involves folks right here in Orange County. Until then, thanks for joining us here on Cox Forum.